There's only one way to make a BLT, and this is how you make it. Don't fuck it up. Grab some thick smoked bacon. I don't eat bacon. Why are you watching a fucking BLT video then? Grab a stainless steel pan and lay your bacon in. Low fucking heat until your bacon's ready. 2 birds, 1 fucking stone. We're making our own mayonnaise and it takes 30 seconds. You're gonna crack 2 eggs, a tablespoon of vinegar, and a pinch of salt. You're gonna turn this on the lowest setting. While that's going, you're gonna slowly add in some olive oil. You're gonna turn it a little faster and add in a little bit more olive oil. Keep adding olive oil until it thickens up. Until it looks like this. Taste it and add a little bit more salt. Take your bacon out. Grab your bread and you're gonna toast it in the bacon fat. If you know someone that tells you they like sourdough bread, they're lying to your fucking face. Use a fucking baguette. Grab your fucking bread. Mayo on both sides. Please. Salt your fucking tomato. Bacon. And a little bit of lettuce. That's how you make a proper BLT. It's not fucking fair how good that is.